In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Notion as a classroom management tool. With the right template, you can organize lesson plans, student information, assignments, and teaching resources in one place. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for Education Management, Teacher Planner, or another education template that fits your needs. Then click Use this template. Once the template is added to your workspace, customize it by entering your classes, subjects, and lesson plans. Update the sample content with your own information. Use the built-in databases to track assignments, attendance, student progress, or important dates. You can also add pages for teaching resources, meeting notes, and classroom schedules. If needed, create additional views such as calendar for lesson planning, board for assignment tracking, or table for student records so you can manage your classroom more efficiently. As the school year progresses, keep your workspace updated by adding new lessons, assignments, and resources, making Notion your central hub for classroom organization. That's how to use Notion for teachers. Thanks for watching.